In this video, I'm going to teach you a very quick tutorial on how to pin a website from Google Chrome to the taskbar in your Windows 11. So without any further ado, let's begin. First things first, bring up your Google Chrome browser. Here at the Google Chrome, wait until you'll get to see a search bar here where you can search the website that you would like to pin in your taskbar. Once here, type the website that you would like to go with, and then click on the enter key once you have typed it, and proceed to the list of results. So here at the first result, just have to go with the first result of the website that you have searched. Click on this. In my case, I want to add this Wikipedia to my taskbar. Once you've clicked on it, you'd be able to open the official page of your selected website. Just have to navigate to the top right corner. You can see there are three dots. Click on it, scroll down and navigate to cast, save, and share. So the moment you've located your cursor here, you will open another list of the option. Go with install page as app, and a small window would ask you to confirm your action. Click on install and wait until this window would appear here, meaning we have successfully installed it. So by that close, the windows being opened, and a shortcut for that selected website would be automatically created. Please make a right click while selecting it, and then you just have to navigate to the go with show more options. Might as well you will receive a notification where your computer would ask you to pin it to taskbar. You can simply click on yes here to pin it. Or either if you don't receive any, just have to make a right click and then go with this show more options. And here you can see the pin to taskbar. And that way you'd be able to pin your website, your chosen website here to the taskbar. So that's it. If you think this video had helped you a lot, then don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching and have a good day, everyone.